KC Pier, we use French drains as a collection and redirection of water. We use it as a primary source of collection and redirection. So what a French drain is, it's a drain system or a trench that's dug outside the home, and it directs the water in an area that we want the water to go, typically away from the home, obviously, and then redirected in a way that naturally the gravity will pull the water down. It could be full of gravel. You can also fill it with drain tile. Most people will keep French drains an open French drain, but some people will actually bury them and cover them with sod. It's totally up to the homeowner and the installer. The French drain itself, for a cost, will come depending on barriers that are in place for the homeowner or in the yard, whether we find rock or not, or have to redirect around obstacles in the yard itself, will tend to be anywhere from say $25 to $35 or maybe $45 a foot. With a French drain, we tend to use those to line up the full perimeter of the home, say one side of the home, and then ultimately direct it around either side of the home. So you'll tend to use two sides of a home for a French drain. It's a primary source of collection, and then behind that French drain, we can actually use interior resources at KC Pier to ultimately stop the water. So this is a redirection piece with a French drain, but then the waterproofing of the interior basement or the exterior basement wall can come as that secondary stop in case the French drain doesn't actually redirect the water. At KC Pier, it's very affordable. We can actually bury it and make it nice and neat and clean for the homeowners. You can mow over it if you resod the French drain. You'll never necessarily know it is there. And it's a great source of water retention, collection, and redirection.